Namaskar. My name is Ravindra Grover. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just thought of giving you a brief, small update for the month of May. What can we expect astrologically happening, especially with respect to coronavirus? In my past videos, I did talk about that. Basically, from 11th September 2019 to 20th of May 2020 is the major peak period where a lot of things started happening. Though it came in the surface around 26th of December 2019, and later on it picked up and the whole world came into mess. Now, I intend to talk only about this month. I may refer to a few dates in the past, but try to talk about those days as little as possible. From March 2020 to May 2020, unpredictable number of cases will happen in the worldwide. I mentioned about that in my previous video. Possibly more problematic time, coronavirus would be at its peak, may spread further, causing more distress and mental tension worldwide, which is exactly happening now. Coming to further the month of May, from 4th of May to 17th of May 2020, especially in India, reconsideration of lockdown is on cards, which I did talk about in my past video as well, and I understand this is already happening. Virus-wise, situation will get further worse in some countries. More cases will be reported, and as I mentioned earlier as well, the coronavirus would be at peak by mid-May 2020. Why? The community has weak immunity to many viruses. It may seep through unless something is done to enhance the immune system of human being. We did talk about medicine development for COVID-19, and I gave few dates in my past videos, and I also mentioned though 23rd to 28th April, 20th to 28th May, 6th June, 18th June to 20th of July, 1 to 3rd of August, 20th to 20th of September, these are the days will look very likely when something may be developed which can be very useful for humanity. But I believe the development of the medicine will be done gradually, slowly, phase by phase, and especially after 16th of July 2019, something might come in the surface. I did mention in one of my past videos how the virus will spread in certain parts of India. It has happened that way. Now coming to the month of May, from 1st to 2nd of May, central, east and of India and their borders. 4th to 6th of May, south coastal areas, central and their borders of India. 23rd April to 20th of September, basically the time when I see the virus spreading toward the central part of India and north and south little bit and their borders. Central part means UP, Maharashtra, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana and their borders, including Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and some parts of Haryana and Punjab. Now, moving on further, I mentioned in my previous video as well, and my astrological highlight, which is sent fortnightly. I said from 18th of March 2020 to 20th of May, so this is the month of May going on. From 18th of March 2020 to 20th of May 2020, I have given the name for this period Dance of Death, especially in UK, USA, and some parts of the Europe. Coronavirus at peak by mid-May 2020 at some places. Call for divine intervention would be on rise and a spiritual person may provide some relief. From 29th May 2020, communication-wise there would be some mess up, I think media will add more fuel to the fire. Now let's go back a little bit. 3rd of May 2020 to 17th of June, this date, I think conditional lockdown would start getting relaxed. Or in other words, lockdown would start getting relaxed conditionally at many places. 5th of May to 16th of May, people would take or display aggressive approach to get further freedom from lockdown. From 5th of May to 16th of May, I really expect, astrologically speaking, some aggressive approach taken by some people so that they get more freedom to come out of lockdown. For 7th May to 15th of May is the time, and also from 25th September to 3rd of October. These are the few dates, 7th May to 15th May, 25th September to 3rd of October. I call this the period of extreme challenges. Industrial and labor issues, virus may spread further causing more anguish, employment and structural issues. If lockdown is relaxed during this period, obviously it's a long period, it must be done properly in systematic and planned manner. 11th of May to 30th of June is more than a month, more than 1.5 months actually, 2 months you say. Laborers, handymen, domestic helpers, etc. would get eager to start work. The governing authorities would make decisions to sort out industrial and labor issues. Mark my words, from 30th of June 2020, most of the workers would get confidence to get back to work. I'm going back a few days, 13th May to 25th of June. Why I'm overlapping some period? Because what's happening, I am moving one particular planet at certain location, and the planet would remain there for that period of time, and then I'm trying to understand what that planet can offer us. That's why I'm overlapping a few dates. Now from 13th of May to 25th of June, government would re-evaluate the financial strategy and pump an extra money to boost up the economy worldwide. 14th of May to 6th of December is the longer period. Please mark these dates. 14th of May 2020 to 6th of December 2020, the governing bodies would start revisiting, reviewing, revising, and coming up with different plans. Government would start revisiting, reviewing, and revising all the decisions it had made so far with respect to finance, with respect to health, with respect to employment, with respect to rules and regulations, with respect to banking and taxation. All these changes would start reflecting from 30th of June 2020, and this may continue till 13th of September 2020 and become stable or start stabilizing from 6th of December 2020. That's why I took the period 14th of May to 6th of December 2020. Now, I don't want to go to other dates apart from June. I'm trying to contemplate or look at the dates only for this particular month, May. Let me see what else I have written down here. Now, a little bit about USA. I will say for United States of America, be alert. This is the time to introspect and renew their actions. From 24th of March 2020 to 11th of April 2021, this is a period of more than 1 year, a few days, USA, United States of America, will remain in fighting mode. They will be arguing, fighting throughout this year. I got this from, I made the chart for 1 year for USA. This is what I figured it out from there. This is my understanding. From just a few weeks ago, from 22nd April 2020, pandemic COVID-19 has wounded USA very deeply, leaving unforgettable scar. USA will still resist to change its ways, ultimately causing conflict within the country or the party. This is the time to review their internal structures, review the finances, review the diplomatic relationship with other countries. It definitely requires to rebuild its new business model and a new system of working. 22nd of April 2020 to 13th of February 2021 is more like a war-like situation with China. Most likely USA will or may take aggressive action, aggressive approach against China between 3rd of May to 18th of May, the period of 15 days, 3rd of May to 18th of May 2020, USA will take aggressive action, aggressive approach against China. 11th of May 2020 to 4th January 2021, major restructuring of all systems, reviewing its responsibilities and commitments, and the shorter period between that 13th of May to 15th of June 2020 is a time for re-evaluation of the sentiments of the people of USA. I repeat, 13th of May to 25th of June 2020, this is the time for re-evaluation of the sentiments of the people of United States of America. If this is not handled properly, then this could cost the presidential seat. I believe very strongly from 14th of May 2020 to 13th of September and again in November 2020 onward, the government need to revisit, review, revise all the decisions it has made. This is the opportunity to review the set of moral values that establishes a framework for expected behavior and decision making. This is the time to review and the balancing the code of ethics in government, in trade, in business, in finance, in banking, in employment policies, rules and regulations, foreign policies, laws and judgment, all that help country to move in the right direction. Whatever the changes government makes, wise or otherwise, that shall be made between 14th of May 2020 to 13th of September 2020, this is a small period, they may start reflecting any time from mid-November 2020. This is all for the month of May. Mind you that in this month, lot will happen because teardrops, as I said, started from September last year, has not finished. The period has not exhausted yet. Though effects seem to be less, but I'm afraid to say that virus will relapse. It will come back. It seems to be coming back soon, and we all need to be prepared for that. It may not come back with the same strength, may not blast the lives away, but it is going to come back. We need to be prepared. How do we prepare? Very simple. Keep the social distancing. This is what you hear all the time. Apart from keeping the social distancing, apart from locking yourself within your bubble, it's also important to strengthen your immune system by taking proper natural if possible, I say, proper medicine or medications or anything which boosts your immune system. Also, a bit of exercise may be required too. So this is the time to contemplate on that. But if any disease comes to us, the most important play is played by the mind. Mind is the thief. If mind is strong, if mind is positive, if we meditate, concentrate on the divine, and if we try to boost up our mental strength through meditation, through contemplation on the God or whatever faith you have, so through keeping yourself positive at all times. Of course, you need to take some precautions too, and you shall be fine. Thank you very much for listening to me. Stay safe and be happy always.